Hi guys, we're here gonna unbox the this is called the capture camera clip, the cuff, and an extra anchor of four pack anchor. So we'll unbox this first because this is the what I've been waiting to unbox for a while now. So we'll just open it. Oh no, look at the back. So the camera clips on the backpack strap on the side. The it comes with two parts. It comes with the part for the camera itself, and then the part that you put onto the bag strap. So the bag,
Just for the
for
backpacks,
the
no?
backpack, yeah. It goes here, and then you just clip it on. It supports from 90 kg and then also 200 pounds, all the going up. So it's a good, it's high quality as well. So let's just open it up so we can review it properly. There you go. So it comes with two
Oh,
parts.
okay. Okay.
Comes with the part that you put. Oh,
Mm.
oh, you use a hex key.
See them.
Okay, makes sense. So it's definitely it won't come off, and then you have the
What's that,
oh
the lock?
oh no, this part is the quick release. So it goes on like that. Goes on like that. Yeah, it goes on like that, and then it's a quick release
So this one will go to the
on the camera underneath. Yeah,
underneath the camera.
and then these just screw off. Okay, wait. There's more stuff before we keep on. Oh, there's a pouch. Oh wait, there's a pouch for it, and then it
There's an
comes with the
extra
hex
stick.
key, and then there's extra screws as well. Screws for what though? Oh, for this?
Yeah, because you have to put it on the strap of the bag, diba? Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
bro.
It's good quality, no?
And then there's the manual in the back.
Yeah, on how to fix it.
Okay, wait, we need that.
See, may hex actually sa'yo.
So capture universal 1/4 inch connection screw, anchor link, four-way entry. Oh, so since it can enter any way. That's what it means by four-way.
Mm.
Weathered machine aluminum alloy. Quick release, but so this button is the quick release. Standard bolts, easy to remove or swap carry location. And then hex bolts for low profile attachment on thicker straps. So so
Oh.
so right now it's running these, which isn't for as thick of straps, but you can change it for these ones which are longer for
Which
thicker
are
straps,
thicker,
and then
thicker straps.
it's low profile. It's not as obvious as these ones.
Mm.
So what
Let's
bag?
try any bag.
Any bag? Let's just get this bag. Oh, it's heavy. There's stuff inside. Okay, so I got the bag.
Mm.
So let's unscrew one side. Oh wait. Oh no, we don't have to screw. We can just unscrew one like that. There's plastic. There's just cardboard. So you're telling me it just goes parang yan. I think we're gonna need the thicker ones.
Yeah, that's the maximum.
Hindi naman, no.
Baka pwede pang i-adjust. Oh, see? Pwede pa. Oh. Oh. Not that thick naman.
And then you just slide it over.
I-release mo pa yung isa.
Why don't we just
It's too thick.
it's too thick. Oh no, there. It's too thick.
Release mo pang konti yung isa para magpantay. Because you have to push it more.
Hmm.
Please push it more inside pa yung isa.
Like that.
Yan.
And then you just tighten
Just,
it.
wait. Make it, yeah, make it center. Pero, wear mo muna yung bag.
To see where,
See? It goes to the top of
huh? To let you know.
baka it's too high.
It's too high.
Tara mo yung bag. Nakabukas yun.
Okay.
Kasi i-adjust mo according to your,
You have to fix it to where you.
see?
Oh, no, wait. Okay.
Baba mo siya.
Mga ganun dito.
Di pa. Lagi pang mataas.
Yeah, here's good one.
Di pa.
Where? I don't want the bag to be too low.
Or it's too low ba?
Yeah, that's okay. There, that's good. So, you just tighten it one now. Trial and error. So like that.
Cut this on this slide.
Kahit ano, doesn't.
Yun.
So, you hook it onto the camera.
Hindi kaya heavy masyado. Can,
Hopefully not. Paano? So, how do I... Like that.
yan. Yan. Yun.
Oh wait, I'm not sliding it anymore pala. It's just my finger sliding. Not there.
Sige. Look your center of the camera na.
Like that, huh?
Oh, nice.
You tight. And this, so it just goes. Is it center ba? Goes like that. Oh,
Oh, bigat. Bigat.
bigat.
Bigat.
Bumigat. Pero at least it's there. Bumigat. Pero at least it's there. It doesn't fall off. Bumigat.
Ang bigat yan. Kasi bigat yung ano eh.
Bumigat yung camera.
Di ba pag kukun... ang bigat yan. Kasi bigat yung camera.
Oh. At least kung kailangan mo, it's there na. So,
I think it's good for the
for smaller camera.
smaller camera.
Pero it's good
smaller
din.
lenses.
It's good din naman.
Okay, so there we go.
After that,
May pouch pa din siya. So you can keep it if you don't want to use it muna. Yun. What about the other
so we'll open this kasi these are just extensions.
accessories?
Accessories. So this is a cuff. Instead of using the neck strap, you can use a cuff na lang.
Mhm.
The cuff is also rated for 90 kg and then 200 pounds above. So let's open it again. Sabi niya, always secure, quick connecting, and then stows as a bracelet.
Okay.
You can stow it as a bracelet. There, I chose the gray color. I chose the gray color, and then it already comes with two of these red clips. Two of these red clips, if you can see. Yeah, here. So let's just remove this white. Okay, not like that. Like this. It's just easy to rip. And then there's another case. It comes with the case din.
Pares na ng brand, no?
Yeah, all of them.
Design.
It comes with two of these reds.
No?
Yeah, comes with two of the reds. Robust 3-layer design for the inside.
For the strap.
So, and it says replace if yellow inner core becomes visible. So
Yung strap mismo.
the strap mismo, yeah.
Which one? This one.
Mm.
This one, no?
So this is the cuff. Oh, the cuff na ganyan. And you can slide it to your size ba? Oh no, just like that lang.
Yeah.
You can. You can't.
Hmm.
You can. It's just na, parang you can store it as a
May instructions dito.
bracelet.
Drop protection.
How do you?
You know, wear loose or quickly cinch tight for extra security. Adjust locks. Open for easy on and off. Stores as bracelet. Stores as bracelet with magnetic strap. Position magnet to wrist size for more comfortable bracelet.
I don't know.
You know.
What? The adjuster will auto cinch in the event for an accidental drop. Oh, so it's supposed to auto cinch. Ah, it's an auto cinch. It will do that. Kapag if it falls, it will go up. Then you can just, so
Then what about that magnet?
So magnet's like this. It's like that, bracelet, and then you just wrap it around. Like that lang.
You know.
Oh, you can move the magnet inside. You just have to slowly do it. Yeah, you have to slowly position.
Yeah, position it.
Mm.
Okay.
There's no faster way. You have to do it slowly lang. So na, if it in case of emergency to and it falls, it does that.
Then pwede mo siyang i-wear as magnet.
Dapat dito eh, pero
Dapat doon.
edi okay. Pero we have to remove this red moon na. Which is gonna take some time. Wait lang.
Ano sa strap? Diyan?
Yeah, you strap it here to the camera itself. So I have to remove this Canon na.
It's up to you.
Okay.
Because if you don't have the neck strap, the neck strap, it is always in your hand.
No, it won't always be in my hand.
Okay.
Hindi ko matanggal. It's ready. Good. So, it's a quick release lang. Quick.
How quick?
How quick? How quick? Oh, like that. You push it down kasi. You push. And then you remove.
May lock pala.
There's a lock. Oh no.
May sinabi siya tungkol dun sa ano, you know.
What?
You know. the anchors. If the yellow layer
If the layer.
becomes visible, you have to replace it.
So we have to always watch out for the yellow layer. So like that. And you have it like that lang. And then you attach it.
Yun.
And you have a, yeah. So if it falls, ah,
Tested.
tested. So again,
One more time.
oh, pwede, gumagana. Okay.
Okay, so yun na. That's it. These are only
These are 4 extra ones.
anchor packs. Maybe you can use it for other cameras also. Kaya mag-wear out na yung strap na iba. Meron siyang extra. Okay, that's it.
That's
Thank
it,
you.
guys. I removed the Canon na talaga.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.